Passengers, it is the departure time for the vehicle. Please take your seats.
Let's get started. Drive safe.
Every weekday, we've got your your chance to win the kind of cash that'll make your year. Keep listening to find out how. Kiss.
I know I may be young, but
Let's get started.
I've got feelings
Drive
too.
safe.
And I need to do what I feel like doing. So let me go and just listen. All you people look at me like I'm a little girl. Well, did you ever think it'd be okay for me to step into this world? Always saying, little girl, don't step into the club. Well, I'm just trying to find out why, 'cause dancing's what I love. Oh, yeah. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Ooh, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ooh, although I may come off white, may come off shy, but I feel like talking, feel like dancing when I see this guy. What's practical, what's logical, what the hell, who cares? All I know is I'm so happy
the track, bring the old school back. The best old school and anthems. It's History on Kiss.
When I'm at the bar, other people wanna try, it's like, give me some more. Try a little harder, give me some more. Let's go, I'm a superstar. Getting busy with the boys, hanging at the bar. Everybody coming close, cause they all want me. You want it when you saw me, I like how you look, baby, call me, call me. 1, 2, 3, 4, let me scream if you want some more, like, push it, watch me work it. I'm perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, let me scream if you want some more, like, push it, watch me work it. I'm perfect, I'm perfect. Check it out now. Look, the lips, hips, the hair, the eye, the skin, the waist. You see what I can do on this microphone. So guess what I'm gonna do to you at home? Look, the lips, the hips, the hair, the eye, the skin, the waist. You see what I can do on this microphone. So guess what I'm gonna do to you at home? Perfection.
And a big shout out to Jimbo and Tom saying Marv tunes with a capital CH on Kiss 3 today. Cheers, boys. Wayne the tipper driver's loving Kiss 3 too. Nice one, Wayne. And Lisa's got in touch saying, Marv, my youngest George started year 6 today, and my 13-year-old's gone to Thorpe Park as a last day out before starting year 9 tomorrow. So I'm enjoying the peace for the first time in 6 weeks. Loving the tunes as always
Dear
on Loud in my house. Lisa, I think you speak for pretty much every parent across the UK. We're all looking forward to some routine coming back, right? Listen, WhatsApp is open if you want to get on Kiss today. My number is 03448112233, and I'm going to be taking it all the way back to the year 2000 on Kiss 3 next.
This is Kiss London.
Hey, it's Marvin Humes from Kiss, and you need to check out the new supersized space adventure exclusively on PlayStation 5, Astrobot.
What did you say your name was?
This guy is a legend already, an absolute PlayStation icon. There are more than 50 planets to explore, and you'll discover new power-ups while you search for Astro's lost crew in this wicked platformer. The kids are going to be all over it, then you'll pick it up when they're off to bed. It's so much fun. Over at kissfmuk.com, you can win a PS5, a digital copy of Astrobot, and loads more.
Kiss, introducing Astrobot. Out on September 6th, exclusively on PS5. Rated Peggy 7.
Yes, Mrs. Jenkins, I will look after your house while you're away. But right now, Lunchtime's spicy burrito is making a spectacular comeback, making every instruction she's giving you sound like radio static. Water the dog, yes. Take the fish out, good. If heartburn hits, have the Rennie ready. It neutralizes 99% of excess acid in just 60 seconds for fast heartburn relief. And you're back in the room. Rennie Peppermint, always read the label.
Oak Furniture Lounge presents Autumnal Feasts. As the evenings start to draw in, the dining table's the place to be. Whether you're indulging in hearty roasts or cozy get-togethers with friends, enjoy style that's made to last with our stunning range of tables and chairs. And savor the good times sooner with 3 years interest-free credit from just $4.99 with no deposit. Oak Furniture Land, grow your home. Finance T's and C's apply. Oak Furniture Land, FRN 928005 is a credit broker, not a lender.
Most homes could save with Octopus. Matt switched and started saving in April last year.
You just get it right, the customer service, the sort of communication. You've stepped it up, I think, for an energy company, so well done.
Octopus Energy, outstanding value with award-winning customer service. Visit octopus.energy/value for our calculation.
Hey, you with the hands at 10 and 2. Ever felt that nudge that your motor might need a little TLC? When it's time to go under the hood, eBay's got you covered. From mirrors to headlights, find all the right parts by entering your reg. And if it doesn't fit, eBay Assured Fit means you can return it for free. That's our money-back pledge. Find the right part at the right price with eBay Assured Fit. Exclusions apply. See ebay.co.uk for more details.
Some companies try to reel people in by promising quick cash if you pay them to claim work expenses. But think twice before taking the bait, because they might just want to land a commission, and it turns out you aren't eligible to claim anything. You'll have to pay HMRC back, and it's unlikely the company will refund any fees. So don't get caught out. Check if you're eligible and make a claim with HMRC for free online. Just search "Don't Get Caught Out."
What you waiting for?
Kiss Breakfast with Costa Coffee. Yeah, give it to 'em.
So we're chatting about the things that hit differently when you were at school that today's kids just won't appreciate.
Jordan in Felton, what's yours?
Cooking and PE on the same day.
When you know. When you know.
Kiss Breakfast with Costa.
Sip on refreshing bubble frappes and teas, bursting with colourful flavours to keep you cool all summer long.
You already know what I'm on. History on Kiss.
With Marvin Humes.
It's after midnight and she's on your phone, saying come over 'cause she's all alone. I could tell it was your ex by your tongue. Why is she calling now after so long? Now what is it that she wants? Tell me what is it that she needs?
Dear passengers, our bus will continue its trip in 5 minutes. Please take your seats. Dear passengers, our bus will continue its trip in 5 minutes. Please take your seats. Dear passengers, our driver announced a 30-minute break. Please your seats at the end of your break.
There's no need to reminisce about the past. Obviously, did not last. I know how a woman will try to game you. Don't get caught up because baby you do. What is it that she wants? What is it that she wants? What is it that she needs? She knew about the brand new thing that you just bought for me.
When we call you, you've got to pick up within 5 rings and say, make me a winner. Keep listening to find out how you can get in the draw. Kiss. Wanna freak you. Girl, your body's so freaking nice. Freak you. Girl, your
sit right.
From Kaiser, that is Hideaway. It's Kiss 3 on Kiss right now. You're with Marvin Humes. I've got to send a big shout out to Tina, who's got in touch. She wants to big up all the parents who are now having to find their feet again because they're not hearing "I'm hungry" for the 879th time this morning. It is so true, Tina. Off to the airport holiday time shout out to Sky, Kirsty, Killian and Kieran. Like, you must be feeling so smug right now. Like, no kids on the planes, the resort's not busy. Very, very clever, very jealous as well. Have a great time, guys. And Carrie's got in touch on the voice notes. Carrie, what are you saying?
Shout out to my husband who's making me do decorating on the first day back. The kids have gone to school. So instead of relaxing, I am sweating my eyeballs.
Poor you, Carrie. Listen, maybe just take a little half day, all right? Just finish up once Kiss 3's done and just put your feet up for the rest of the day. Do you know what I mean? All right, listen, this is it. You're with Marv. It's Kiss 3 on Kiss. It's the weekend now. I can't feel my face.
And I know she'll be the death of me. At least we'll both be nuts. And she'll always get the best of me. The worst is